SURFCAM Traditional includes tools to help users easily chain wireframe geometry. In this instance, we will be looking at chaining planar geometry. When chaining geometry, setting both planar elements and limit tangent angle to no, a user can select geometry. However, when a branch point is reached, SURFCAM will prompt the user to find out which direction it should continue the chain. It is possible in this situation to select the geometry with less clicks by using the chain planar elements set to yes. The user needs to only define a plane, and instead of prompting at every single intersection, SURFCAM will try and chain around what it sees as planar elements. To make things even easier when using this setting, select an arc which predefines the plane that SURFCAM is going to use as its selection set. An additional option in the chaining function allows you to automatically chain tangent wireframe. We currently have it disabled. This causes the chain to pause at each branch point to request user input for the next element of the chain. The chain highlighting makes selecting the next element easier than it has been in the past. However, if we repeat the process, this time engaging the limit tangent angle option, if there is only a single track within a 2-degree deviation from tangent, the closed loop chains with only 2 clicks needed.